Okay, so this is when my face is basically done. This is all I do. Oh, I forgot my setting spray. I do put on setting spray one more time. So let me do that. That just sets everything I did or whatever. I use All Nighter from Urban Decay. I just buy the travel size because, of course, I travel, so I can't, like, have the big bottle. But I do I do go through All Nighter all the time. Like, literally, I go through it like this. But anyway, so since I'm looking weird right now without lashes, which is how I feel, I'm going to go ahead and put them on. So with me, with lashes, I just use the regular hair glue. What's wrong with my, I don't know what's wrong with my G words today, but anyway, I use the Super Hair Bond glue. It's supposed to be like a 30-second dry up thing. Lash glue doesn't really work well for me, so I use what works, which is crazy that hair glue works on my eyes, but lash glue don't. It's so weird. So here are my lashes. So these are from Passion Collection. You'll be able to see them better once I put them on. But they're like a 3D mink lash. Let me see if I can kind of, I don't know. Y'all about to see them. Anyway, hope everybody had a good day though, because, you know, I did. I had to go to Apple and get my MacBook fixed. And, because like I did the update. I don't know if any of y'all did the update on your MacBook. But I did the update and it just went out on me. Like, literally, when I turned it back on, it just kept going to the update screen. I'm like, I've already updated this, so I don't know why I keep going to it. But it would not let me go to, like, the home page. It wouldn't let me, like, go past that, like, install screen. So I was, like, pissed, first off. But, anyway, so I put my glue on my lashes. I got a little bit on my finger. Hold on. Take that off. All right. So this is how much I put on it. I know y'all can't see this, but you know, it's my first makeup video. Trust me. Give me 2-3 months. These videos gonna be on point. You feel me? Cause some people I be watching them and I be like, she could have did better. And I'm like, I can't talk because I don't know how it's gonna look when I do videos. And look, here I go doing videos and my shit's flipped up too. All right, here we go. So I just blow it a little bit. Let me see if I can bring this down on just my eyes. Well, I'll try to get closer. But, okay, I can't look at y'all, but let me just look at myself. So I just put it on like this with the tweezer. Kind of fix it with my fingers. I do keep short nails just because I have to for work. So, y'all with the long nails, I don't know how y'all be putting on lashes for real. But, you know, make it work for you. And of course, you're going to have a little bit of glue right there in your eye. I mean, near your eye. So you're going to just take it off like that without poking yourself in the eye. And then what I do after I put them on, I just like to clamp. Clamp. So I clamp them to like blend with my real lashes. Let's see here. And to just really make sure they on, you know, because that glue need to be connected to the hair more so than anything. And I go back with my fingers just to like verify that they on there all the way. Okay. And then that's how it looks. Let me put the other one on though because I look crazy. I can't be looking crazy. They don't want you looking crazy. But anyway. Alright, I'm taking the old glue off of these lashes. I wore these lashes probably 3 times already, so I'm probably giving about another 2 weeks or so, and then I will be on to the new pair, which I just got yesterday. So I got some new lashes I'm gonna show y'all. I put them on my Instagram page yesterday, but I got them for Super Bowl, and because I wanted like extravagant, I want my lashes to be like, you know, she about to fly somewhere, you feel me? So anyway, here go the other lash. Do the same thing. So I hold my eye over like this to make sure it's straight. And then I put it on. You know, that hair glue, boy, that shit true. Oh, I think, what is my dog chewing on? Stop. Because I know you're eating something off the floor. But, Yeah, so I had like this little lash breakout last week. So this gonna be my first time like putting lashes on again. Cause I had the lash extensions. The girl I go to is like super good, but I just can't deal with the glue for some reason. So I'm gonna just have to go with what I know and do strips, you know. So here I go, clamping again to make sure they're clamped with my real hairs. Go through with my fingers again. I mean, she really chewing, whatever it is. Stop. Get out of here. All right. So then that's the final look. Then I go back in, and if I want to do like an eyeshadow look, I do that after my lashes. A lot of people on YouTube put on, I'm sorry, I got a message, but a lot of people put on the eyeshadow before the lashes, but with me, I just kind of feel like, well, once you put a lash on, the glue might mess it up, or your finger might mess it up or whatever. So I just always do the lashes first. Then I go in and do my eyeshadow. So my eyeshadow that I use is literally Nika K from the hair store, $1.99. But when I tell you this eyeshadow is the truth, it lasts all night. I have no problems with it. And before I told y'all I was just doing the little brown on top. That's just to go over that concealer that I had. I don't even know why I do that, but I just feel like it gives my eyes like a smoother look. And then I go in with whatever color I want to wear. So I'm a nude person. I mean, I might get into more eyeshadows later, but I'm going to wear this color right here because the jeans I'm wearing are like a cranberry type of color. Well, light cranberry. So, let me see. Let me put this on. And what I do, well, I'm closing both eyes. Let me do this eye first. I just take it like here and literally just do the outer part of my eye. And then I bring it up just a tad to highlight that because I have really small eyes. So I can't really do super dramatic stuff anyway. But yeah, you see how like pigmented this is? And I mean, I got Morphe too. Morphe's really good too. And hold on, my mom's texting me. Let me see if she wants something. Because sometimes she just hit me up for nothing. But anyway, next eye. Go in, like I said, about halfway. I do that bottom part first. And then I go here. My eyes look a little wrinkly because of the reaction, but again, I'm getting over that now. So, when I do more makeup videos, y'all will really see, how I go in with it. You feel me? And so then that's like the final look. So you have like a little, kind of like an ombre effect because I put that brown there, which is really like nothing. It's my skin color. And then I go in with that cranberry like that. And then I could take, so I like that look. But, if you extra, I was itching that, that allergic reaction still kind of bothering me here and there. But, stop. I'm sorry, y'all. So this is the one I use from Morphe. It's Morphe times Jaclyn Hill. And these are the colors in here. I think this one is I forgot what the brand was, but the style was. And so these are the colors she have in here. And I do like this palette as well because they have like again neutral colors, but not too much. But there are also colors that I can F with. So I'll probably go in now with this one here called Bling Bling. Let me see if I can show y'all a little closer because this is a really pretty color. It's my favorite one. I'm surprised it ain't gone yet. But so you see it's more so like a rose gold. So like that's a gold champagne, but this is like a rose gold. So I go in and put that on top of the cranberry because it gives it like a little glitter look. But like again, I do wear this Bling Bling by itself too because it just gives your eye a little pop. But I go in with the Bling Bling and I probably just do that like twice. And it keeps that same undertone color, but then it makes it pop a little bit more of a glitter. So when you in the club or whatever at night or wherever you're going, you can see it. You know what I'm saying? So I like that. So anyway, that's done. And wash that brush off. All right, because that y'all be having all them nude color eyeshadows and stuff. But anyway, so this is my eyelash and eyeshadow look. Basically my face is done at this point. I'm gonna go in with some bottom lash mascara. Y'all know how to do that. If y'all don't, comment below, tell me. I'll show you how to do bottom lash mascara. But I literally grew my bottom lashes out with Jamaican castor oil. I'll tell y'all more about that too on like a skincare video. And yeah. Okay, so actually I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys how I do my bottom lash mascara, because I'm like, you know what, let's just put it all in one video. This is supposed to be my makeup look for going out. Let's just put it all in the video. And then I'm gonna take my hair down and show y'all everything. Okay. I need to get that pinky done again. Alright, so what I do is go super close to the mirror. So I'm gonna go super close to y'all. And I just hold my eye down. And I go side to side. Side to side. And then I just kind of like rub it down a little bit. Add a little more product. This is Bad Girl Bang by Benefit. It's almost gone, which I'll probably be getting some more tomorrow. But y'all can actually see it better because this is not even the effect that I usually get. But because my bottom lashes be like so cute. Alright, so then that's that. I mean, it ain't much product in there, so I can't do nothing about that. I go back in with the Laura Mercier setting powder. And I don't use the translucent. I use the, what is it, medium deep or something? Yeah, medium deep. I use that because since I'm dark skinned, I feel like it works a little bit better. But I go back in, kind of let that bottom lash mascara dry a little bit. But you know how you'll have a little excess there. So I just go back in and take the powder under. And I feel like it's going under my lash. I don't really know. But I've been doing this for years, so I just feel like it works. And I go back again. And this is a totally different blending beauty blender, because I usually like have a powder beauty blender and then a regular one for my concealer and foundation and stuff. Actually I have 3, so it's gonna, y'all gonna see 2 pink ones and a black one in all my videos. But anyway, that's the eyes. I will keep talking, so let me hurry up. So, and I'll take my scarf off. And I go get my YSL perfume. Because all I pretty much wear is my Paris. Let me grab my brush. I already did my edges, so that's why I had the scarf on, because I was laying my edges. And I was using the 24-hour edge tamer. Just kind of brush this hair. So this hair is what I sell. It's really, let me see if I close the door. I can give y'all a white background you can see. But yeah, it's like really good. On this side, I got a minimal leave out. So with a minimal leave out, you know, most of your hair is sewn in, braided down, less damage in the long run. Okay. So here we go. And this is how I'm gonna look. I'm gonna probably put on some hoop earrings though, but this is the final look. So probably do that, or you know, since this shirt doing a little something, I'll kind of show it, but that's it. See y'all on the next video.